kindergarten. Welcome back to Phonics time, where we get to work with our words and our letters. Who remembers? What long vowel sound are we learning about? That's right. We are learning all about the long I. What sound does the long I sound make? Yeah, it says I. How do we know the vowel will say that sound? How do we know it's going to say I and not I? How do we know it's going to say I? Yeah, we look for that magic E at the end. We're looking for that E, magic E or sneaky E at the end of the word. Okay, so let's look at our long vowel poster to remember our words. Here we go. Let's chant the words. Bike, B-I-K-E, bike. Dine, D-I-N-E, dine. Five, F-I-V-E, five. Hide, H-I-D-E, hide. Lime, L-I-M-E, lime. Kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Very good, kindergarten. So those are our words with our long vowel. Okay, now we're going to reread our poem, Mike's Day, to remind us how to read words with long I's in passages. Okay, as we read today, I want you to keep track of how many long I's you see in the poem. I've already gone and highlighted them for us, but I want you to see just how many there are. So here we go. Mike's Day. And you can read along with me as I read. Mike has a nice kite. The kite will go up, up, up. Mike gets on his bike. Mike will ride his bike to dine. Mike likes to dine. Mike asks for a lime. Mike does not like the lime. Mike will hide the lime. Very good, kindergarten. Very good. So now we are going to get a chance to put all of this hard work of reading into action by making the words, okay? So we're going to put this to action by making the words, okay? Miss Corey's going to bring the camera a little closer so that we can really see these words, okay? So what we're going to be doing is, I'll get the picture cards to help us so that we can really see the picture, is we're going to be getting a chance to spell these words. Now, when you spell the words, if you don't have letters like Miss Corey, you can just write them down on a piece of paper with a marker or a pencil, whatever you have, okay? But we want to get practice making these words, okay? And when we practice, we want to practice making them look right and making them look wrong so that we can fix them, okay? So our first one is this picture of a bike. Can you spell the word for me? Just shout it out or write it down. Very good. So let's sound it out. B. What's that first sound? B. And we notice it's a tall letter. B. I. That gives me my I. And sometimes we don't know if it's a C or K. In a bike, it's going to be a K, and it tells us because it has that tall box. Bike. Now, does this say bike right now? No. What do I need? I need that E. Very good, because E makes it say its name. B-I-K. Bike. Very good. Our next picture is of a lime. Very good. Can you spell lime for me? Very good. What sound do we hear first? Ooh, ooh. I notice it's a tall letter. Ooh, I. I need that I again. Okay, I'm all done. But why is there another box? Ooh, im, limb. Does that spell lime? No, I need the E. Very good, kindergarten. I need the E. Okay, the next one shows a girl who is 5. Can you help me spell 5? Yeah. I, V. And what do I need at the end? The E. Very good. 5. Okay, if I were to take off the E, it no longer says 5. It says IV. Fiv? Fiv's not what I want. I want 5. Very good. Okay, the next picture is of our kids who like to dine. They like to dine. How do we spell dine? D. Yeah, D. Oopsies. D. I. N. Does this spell dine? No, that spells D-in. I want it to spell dine, so I add the E to the end. Dine. This kid hid under the desk. Hid. How do we spell hid? Eh. Duh. This says hid, but I want it to spell hide. So hide. Add the E. Very good. Hide. And our last one is a picture of a kite. Again, I don't know if it's a K or a C, but the box tells me it's a tall letter, so it's going to be K. K-I-T. This says kit. I need the E to make it spell kite. Very good. So kindergarten, we've worked really hard just now spelling our words, making sure that we have these E's at the end so that the vowel says its name. Okay? Your job today, when you go off to do your work, is you'll get a chance to practice spelling these words. Okay? So you'll get a chance to color, trace, and write it. Where you color your picture, you trace the word and you write it, making sure that you have those words spelled correctly. And then you have another page where you'll get a chance to write the word all on your own, and then a little tricky part where you get to read the sentence and figure out which of those 6 words goes there. The blank is in the sky. What picture do you think is in the sky? The kite. Yeah, the kite is in the sky. So we would write the word kite on the line. So kindergarten, I hope this helped. We're getting a chance to mix and fix these words, to build these words all on our own. Have a great day today, and I can't wait to see your work.